how to fix a frozen or unresponsive ASUS laptop. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix an ASUS laptop that's not responding to touch on your touchpad and the buttons on the keyboard are not working. The laptop is completely frozen. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So usually it's really easy to fix issues like this. And all we need to do is first locate the power button. And on my ASUS laptop, it just looks like that in the top right, but it may look a little bit different on yours or be in a different position either in the center or up here. And all we need to do is hold down that power button for around 15 to 20 seconds. So I'm going to go ahead and hold it down. You should see the backlight on your display turn off, maybe the backlight on your keyboard, or even hear the fans turn off on your laptop. Once that happens, hold it down for another 5 to 10 seconds. After that, we can let go of the power button and then just hold down the power button for around 3 to 4 seconds. And we'll just force the laptop to turn back on. Give it a few seconds and you should see the logo turn back on, which means the laptop just rebooted and we performed what's called a hard reset. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.